Hello, everyone. I'm Rhonda Fore of Virtu Works for You Creative, and this video is called Made in Canva. Canva tutorials coming soon. Just that simple, okay? And so it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, so I said, because I've been very busy, so I say it's time for me to get back into the groove of making videos, and as you all know, I talk about Canva a lot. I have done some tutorials on Canva, but I want to start a series, and I use Canva on social media, and Canva is also one of my top creative design tools that I use to help clients with their social media and other purposes as well. So I am going to start a series where um, in each video, I teach you the ins and outs of Canva, the features, uh, design shortcuts, trips, tricks, tips, all of it. So just stay tuned and, to get videos about made in Canva tutorials, and also about visual content marketing on social media. Like this channel, subscribe, and click the notification bell symbol for alerts. And so I'll see you again soon. You all have a great evening and a great weekend. Thank you.